I joined IDEA because I wanted to work with the team. I didn't really care much about winning. When I started thinking about IDEA, maybe I wanted to make something that can help someone too.
There's a cup holder on the right side where you can put your water bottle, so if your water bottle's right here, someone doesn't step on it and it won't break. You can also put your pencils or your pens in there too.
What is the thing that you like most about Pioneer, coming to Pioneer service? Anything that you saw that you liked the most? Or any experience?
Like how a group of people work on something so small, but it takes a lot of work. Looking at how the measurements, how big or how small, looking at how much work they put into it, and then selling it. Not all the orders are about money, it's about doing the work and seeing how much time and effort they can put into one item.
Yeah.